Guys, welcome back to another reading video. Guys. Today we're going to be reading Pete the Cat Out of This World by James Dean. This has some stickers in it, by the way, so you might see me skipping a few pages. It's not because I don't want to read this to you. It's because of the stickers. Like right here, there's a bunch of stickers, slots. But be sure to check out my Minecraft channel, the Popular Minecraft Pro, please. Let's get started. Pete the Cat Out of This World. And by the way, guys, I don't know how to leave a link. They're just going to have to search the Popular Minecraft Pro. Pete the Cat Out of This World. It's a great day. Pete the Cat is going to space camp. Welcome, Cat Space Camp. I was just reading what the sign said right there. Pete meets his bunkmate, Jillian, as they unpack, and there is an announcement. Sorry if that's your name. G-L-E-N-N. Jillian. Sorry if that's your name, guys. Sorry if I can't pronounce it right. But, as they unpack, there is an announcement. Welcome, space campers. Please head to the classroom. Your mission begins now. Time to suit up, says Pete, and Glean puts... Time to suit up, says Pete. He and Glean put on their uniforms and race to class. Right, so here's the picture. Is that page? It was those 2 pages. There are so many cool things to do and super neat stuff to see. Astronauts Tom and Chris talk about the trips they've taken, and they've given a sneak peek at future space trips. It would be totally rad to go to space, says Pete. The campers find out what it feels like to be an astronaut. They go into zero-gravity chambers. They ride in rovers. They even build rockets. Pete's rocket flies very, very far. Way to go, Pete, shouts Glean. The first page, and then this is the second page. Next stop is Mission Control. We have some exciting news, says Tom. Our next flight leaves today. We're going to the moon, and we have room for more. 0 hours, 10 minutes, and 5 seconds, it says. Pete, do you want to go? Asks Sally. That would be awesome, says Pete. If you ask me, guys, I would never go to space. It's actually really dangerous, more dangerous than you might think. If you don't go to the atmosphere correctly, you can burn up the rocket ship. It's time to buckle up and settle into the space capsule. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here's the sticker page, so I'm going to skip that. Lift off. The ship speeds through space. They blast past the satellite and even spot a comet. Tom and Sally have a rockin' surprise for Pete. His guitar. He plays a groovy Interstellar song for them. Mission Control listens in. In no time at all, they arrive on the moon. They are ready to explore. The astronauts collect rocks en masse out and map out the moon's surface. Want to take a better look at the picture? You can pause the video when they show it, by the way. Pete has a very important job to do. He straps on a jetpack and heads towards Mars. He takes tons of pictures. Oh no, Pete lost track of time and the moon is far, far away. He has to make it back to the ship before it blasts off. Pete make it back in time, in the nick of time. The astronauts head home, and there's time for a few more tunes. Pete sure knows how to make an entrance. Pete's trip to outer space was out of this world. Still, he's physical to have his feet back in solid ground. He's sized to have his feet back in solid ground, not physical. Rock on, Pete. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Once again, be sure to check out my Minecraft channel, A Popular Minecraft Pro. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.